Hi guys, Vitaly with the SprinterArmor, and today we're going to do the installation of the Sprinter Armrest. One of the best upgrades for your Sprinter van. Let's get it done. There are two options for the door panel. It could be a flat panel with nothing here attached, just a bare plastic, and there could be a panel with the little pad like this. And this pad is connected to the door panel with the plastic grommets. It just slides in and that's it. You can use the simple plastic pry tool and gently just pry from the corner and it will go away. It will pop up with no problem whatsoever. You will see drilled holes here from that thing for those grommets, but don't worry about that because we designed the armrest that way they can just perfectly cover all the holes and you will not see them at all. So there are two ways to connect the armrest. First one, very simple, is the double tape. This is a specific automotive double tape. I personally tested in our mild climate during the summertime. I drove my Sprinter van for 2 or 3 months and I had no problem whatsoever. However, I recommend to use the heat gun when it's colder outside to get a better adhesion. Again, it's a temporary solution. If you're looking for something permanent, I definitely recommend to use the self-tap screws like this. We will supply them with every armrest, and every armrest will have already pre-drilled holes so you can align it perfectly and using the screws just connected to the door panel. Using the double tape, we will position the armrest and secure it where we want the armrest to be. For example, I like this spot here, so I gently press it over here and then open the cover and taking the screw. I already pre-drilled them there, so that's it. The armrest is installed and perfectly matches the factory door panel. Looks nice, very sturdy and holds well, sits well at the door panel, and the most important thing, that it's very comfortable. To open the top portion of the armrest, you simply press here and lift it up. This storage compartment will be enough for to store some keys or lipstick or a lot of different little things that are usually laying here in the door panel. Be more than enough space to store them here. To lock the armrest back, just simply push it down, press the latch. That's it. It's firm, no wobble, no play, stays firm in place. If you want to get one of the best upgrades for your Sprinter van, the best comfort upgrade, go to SprinterArmor.com and get yours today. You will not regret. This is one of the best comfort upgrades the Sprinter van must have. See you on the road.